YT, it is your boy QDG coming to you live and direct with the new vid, alright? In today's vid, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a skin fade using detachable blades and plastic attachments, okay? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the vid, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces. Okay guys, my first initial guideline is my 5/0 blade on my Oster Octanes. Okay guys, the next initial guideline is my OA blade, and we're gonna go up about 1/2 inch and set in the next guideline. Okay guys, the next guideline is the 1.5 blade, and we're gonna go up another 1/2 inch. And make sure when you set these guidelines in that you're not laying the blade completely flat, all right? Make sure you guys are riding off the head. Okay guys, the next step isn't necessarily setting in the guideline. This is more of taking out the 1.5 guideline and blending it into the afro. This is the 2 blade, and we're riding it straight off the head. Okay guys, what I am doing here now is starting to take out the guidelines and blend in the fades. So right here I have my master's 1 guard completely closed. We're going to flick out at the OA guideline. This isn't necessarily going to take out that guideline, but soften it up for the next step ahead. Okay guys, here I have my master's 0 guard completely closed, still flicking out at that OA guideline. As you can see, the blend is coming in very nicely. Make sure when you're doing this, your strokes are very consistent and you're in that same fading realm. Alright, so right here I have my master's no guard completely closed, flicking out at the initial guideline, the 5/0 guideline, staying real consistent with my strokes and staying in that same fading realm. You guys need to be cautious when you do this because you can easily set in another guideline. Make sure that you do not lay the blades flat, alright? Make sure you're riding off the heel and flicking out. Okay, so what I did on the right side, I'm going to do on the left side. I already explained what I did, so you guys can sit back, relax, kick your feet up, listen to this dope beat, and watch your boy work. Okay, so here I'm going to be lining him up. Probably like one of the most important things to do in the haircut, in my opinion. I bet you're wondering why I'm not using fibers, and that's just, well, because I don't know how I feel about fibers. Like, it's fake. The minute he goes home, takes a shower, or just wipes his hairline, and it's gone. Like, to be honest, I don't know how I feel about him. I might use him in the future if you guys want me to. Like, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Like, QDG, you know, blah, blah, blah. Use fibers or not use fibers. Me, I'm just more of a raw talent type of person. So I'd rather you come in natural and leave natural. But yeah, that's just, and that's no diss to any barbers that do use fibers. By all means, let them do them. But yeah, I'm just more of a raw talent type of person.